Under the Action Plan tab, click the button next to Not Decided so that it changes to Decided. Enter who is responsible for the implementation and the latest date by which it should be completed. Then fill in who is responsible for verification and when the verification was carried out. Add an image of the measure. The contents of the action plan can be filtered for a better overview. You can return to the risk assessment by clicking the link icon next to the heading. Sort by allows you to choose, for example, risk value or responsible person to arrange the action plan in a desired workflow. You can also make use of color coding.